This spinning gravity pen from Kavura is absolutely mesmerizing. I'm going to unbox it here and just kind of show you what's in the box and how it works. They do give you 20 additional ink cartridges so you can replace the cartridges in your pen and it will work. This is just a really nice, high quality gift. And it comes in a really nice box as well. So as far as gifting goes, it just looks really nice. They've got this weighted base for your pen and it's not very heavy, but it's weighted so that it can become the balancing point for the pen. And each ink cartridge also has a rubber point on the end of it so that you're not going to lose any of your ink. And then take a look at this. It is perfectly balanced so that you can spin the pen. And this is just mesmerizing. I mean, if you're in the business of signing contracts or you have people that you're presenting contracts to, just put this mesmerizing pen in front of them and they're going to pick it up. I mean, this is really neat. It does come in a lot of different colors. I am preferential to the pink, of course, and it writes really smooth as well. So I like pens that write really effortlessly, and this has a really smooth, almost gel-like quality to it, even though it is a ballpoint pen. It's lightweight in your hand, and it just feels really nice and ergonomic. So you do have black ink in this pen and it looks just gorgeous on a desk. This is great for a friend's promotion or a housewarming gift or a white elephant gift for the office. It looks beautiful and whoever you give this to is just really going to appreciate it. It's the spinning gravity pen from Kavura and it looks gorgeous on your desktop. Great gift. Get it today on Amazon. Put it in your cart. Oh, I almost forgot. Kavura sent this over to me for me to try out and give my review. And I'm going to give it a thumbs up.